What if I told you ordinary people are running mini factories from their homes, making up to $1,000 a day? No warehouses, no staff, just one table, one machine, and a spark of creativity. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful machines that could change your future. In this video, I'll reveal 10 incredible machines you can use to turn simple ideas into real products people buy every day. From candles to 3D printing, these setups are small but powerful. By the end, you'll know how to start your own mini factory from home. Before we dive in, here's a quick favor. If you want the direct links to these machines, just comment below. Send IRLs. Only those who comment will get them. So don't miss out. Drop your requests now. Machine 1, premium candle manufacturing. The candle industry generates over $3 billion annually, and sales continue year-round, not just during holidays. Starting a mini candle factory requires simple tools: wax melting equipment, molds, wicks, and premium fragrances. The process is straightforward. Melt, mix scents and colors, pour, and let them set. What separates successful businesses is fragrance, unique scent profiles that tell a story, like Ocean Breeze or Midnight Library, attract loyal buyers. Package them beautifully and sell online at gift shops or farmers markets. With creativity and branding, candles can turn into a high-margin, home-based business. Machine 2, 3D printing service. The 3D printing industry is skyrocketing, expected to reach $32 billion by 2025. With just one reliable desktop printer, you can create prototypes, replacement parts, or custom figurines for inventors, hobbyists, and small businesses. Setup includes an FDM, or resin printer, design software, and printing materials. Customers send their designs and you turn them into reality. The real secret is scalability. You can run multiple printers at once, transforming your home into a mini factory. From unique gifts to industrial components, 3D printing opens endless opportunities for a profitable modern business. Machine 3, custom t-shirt printing. The custom apparel industry keeps growing as people crave unique clothing for events, schools, and businesses. Setting up a mini t-shirt factory is simple. A heat press, transfer vinyl, or sublimation sheets, blank shirts, and basic design software. With these tools, you can print vibrant, durable designs that survive multiple washes. The secret lies in targeting niches: sports teams, family reunions, school clubs, or small businesses needing promotional merchandise. Build local partnerships and deliver on quality. A well-made shirt with a bold design not only sells once, but also ensures repeat orders and long-term clients. Machine 4, sock manufacturing. The novelty sock market was valued at $4.5 billion in 2024 and continues to grow rapidly. With compact knitting machines or sublimation printers, you can produce socks featuring faces, pets, or funny patterns. The setup is simple: polyester sock blanks, sublimation equipment, or yarn with knitting tools. The secret is offering quirky, conversation-starting designs that people love to gift or wear proudly. Comfort and quality material ensure repeat buyers. Online platforms like Etsy and Amazon are booming with personalized sock sales, making this a fun yet profitable mini factory idea for creative entrepreneurs. Machine 5, custom label manufacturing. The custom label industry is part of a $50 billion professional printing market, and small businesses constantly need high-quality labels in small quantities. Setting up requires a high-resolution printer, design software, and various label materials. For extra creativity, add a vinyl cutter for custom shapes. Your customers include bakeries, handmade product sellers, event planners, and wedding vendors. The secret to success is precision and quality. Smudged or misaligned labels damage reputations. Offer waterproof labels, rush orders, and personalized designs that large printing companies ignore. With attention to detail, you become the go-to local label supplier. Machine 6, injection molding small parts. Thanks to desktop injection molding machines, now costing under $400, you can produce professional quality plastic parts from home. Pair it with 3D printed molds and you can create replacement knobs, clips, or toy components. The setup requires an injection molding machine, plastic pellets, and mold making capability. Unlike 3D printing, which is slower for larger runs, molding bridges the gap between prototypes and small-scale mass production. The secret is low cost per unit, making each batch highly profitable. Target inventors needing prototypes, hobbyists seeking custom components, or locals searching for discontinued parts, a market always in demand. Machine 7, Snack Dehydrator Manufacturing. The healthy snacks market reached $95 billion in 2023 as consumers demand preservative-free options. With a food dehydrator, ovens, and airtight packaging, you can create gourmet dried fruits, vegetable chips, or even jerky. Think apple slices, mango chips, or spicy kale crisps. Partner with local farms to buy bulk produce cheaply and add unique flavors for premium pricing. The secret is creative seasoning. Chili lime pineapple or barbecue zucchini chips stand out. Sell at health food stores, farmers markets, or through subscription snack boxes where people actively seek fresh, natural, and healthy snack alternatives. Machine 8, Spice Grinding Operations. The spices and seasonings market is worth over $29 billion, with demand rising for fresh, artisanal blends. Setting up requires heavy-duty grinders, precision scales, fine sieves, and airtight storage containers. Buy whole spices in bulk, roast them for maximum flavor, and grind into custom blends. Create signature curry powders, barbecue rubs, or seasonal mixes that tell unique flavor stories. The key is freshness and authenticity, qualities missing in store-bought options. Farmers markets, local restaurants, and online gourmet shops are eager for authentic blends, making this a profitable small factory idea with endless flavor possibilities. Machine 9, Ceramic 3D Printing Services. The ceramic 3D printing market is growing nearly 30% annually, blending technology with traditional pottery. With the ceramic 3D printer, clay paste, and a kiln, you can create vases, tiles, and tableware that are impossible to shape by hand. The process involves printing, slow drying to avoid cracks, firing, and glazing. Architects want custom tiles, artists need complex sculptures, and consumers love personalized pieces. The secret is offering one-of-a-kind designs that combine modern precision with artisanal charm. Position this as a premium service for designers and affluent buyers who value creativity and uniqueness. Machined 10, Traditional Pottery Workshop. Handcrafted pottery never goes out of style as people increasingly prefer artisanal items over mass-produced ceramics. Starting requires a potter's wheel, kiln, clay supplies, and glazes. The process is traditional yet rewarding. Shaping, trimming, firing, glazing, and refiring to create lasting pieces. Products like mugs, bowls, and planters are always in demand. The secret is storytelling. Customers buy the artist's touch, not just the product. Sell through craft fairs, online shops, or even offer pottery classes for extra income. This timeless craft ensures authenticity, uniqueness, and steady demand in the creative marketplace. So, there you have it. 10 powerful machines that can turn your home into a mini factory. From candles to pottery, each idea can create real products and real income. If this video inspired you, share it with a friend, subscribe for more, and join our free business community for resources to start today.